Ay, ay, ay. Oop. Ayun. So today nga is yung first day na gagamitin namin yung online banking system ng Land Bank for institutions, which is Reaccess. Kaya kung makikita nyo dyan, nag-encode ako ng check advice for the day. Kaya every rest ng rep, babalik ako dun sa kantong yan para lang mag-type ng checks. And every matatapos, babalik ulit ako dun sa workout area. We're done for today. Today is chest and back day. So nag bench press tayo, incline bench press, chest fly, then nag lateral pull down, bent over row, tsaka seated row. Yun. So we're done. And habang nag-gym tayo, sinisimit natin yung work. So buti na lang hindi naman ganun ka-crowded ngayon sa gym. So it's okay. So yeah, we're done and hawin na lang tayo para makapunta na sa office. This is day 40 of our 90-day challenge and see you.